ways. Like if you have female pattern baldness, do not give up. Do not say, oh, I'm doomed. You always take steps to fix it, okay? Because most of it is misdiagnosed anyways. The way to fix it is to address the root cause, which is the diet. The diet is the cause. Because let's understand this. You had nice hair, and all of a sudden your hair just gets bad, right? It didn't just happen like that. It took time because of the diet. Okay, your diet reflects your weaknesses, your genetic weaknesses. So the way to fix it is change the diet. 100% fruit diet, because you need to move the lymphatic system. Hair loss is lymphatics. So we're going to go 100% fruit diet to help move the lymph system. We're going to work on our kidney filtration because it's crucial. Without the kidney filtration, the lymph system backs up, the acids burn the hair follicles, and you lose hair. So fix your kidneys, fix your lymphatic system, fix your adrenal glands, clean your sinuses, very important. Take steps to clean your sinuses. Clean your bowels, very important. Massage the top of your head. Use a hair oil to stimulate blood flow. You want to use neurological tincture on my website, circulation tincture on my website, because it pushes blood flow to the head region. It strengthens all the follicles, okay? Use horsetail tea or bamboo leaf tea. Okay, bamboo leaf oil also fantastic for the hair because it's high in silica, so it's great for strengthening the hair follicles as well. Okay, this is how you take care of hair loss. Now you give it time because if you're balding or bald, it can take a bit of time to get new hair sprouting. But if your hair is thin, usually you see it regrow back quickly. Okay, I had the same experience. My hair was thinning. When I changed the diet, went on the herbs, a few months, my hair started to improve. Okay, so it's never impossible. It's never too late. You can always get your hair back.